Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Now, we've all noticed that our washers have gotten some very long, stupid cycles that they can run for 30, 40, 60, 80, an hour, hour and a half. Well, that's because they're energy efficient. But there is an option around that. What it is, if you look here, you see how you have a rapid wash, okay? Rapid wash there. There might be a speed wash, it might be a quick wash, it may be one of those. Now what that is a faster cycle. That's usually between a 20 to 30 minute cycle. And what it does is, it basically kicks everything up to high gear. Where on the longer cycles, it spans, it does everything, but it does it at a lower, longer speed, so it'll take less energy to use. The quick cycles, the fast cycles, the quick cycles, the 1 hour cycles, those basically turn everything up faster, so it goes through it quicker and it gets it just as clean, just as good, but it does it just as faster. And it's not quite as energy efficient as the longer cycles, but it's still a good option for you. So if you don't like waiting the hour and a half for the Mondo Humongo cycles, then that's a very good option to use. Like I said, the rapid wash, the quick wash, whatever they want to call it, on the manufacturers. But remember, it's not quite as energy efficient because it turns everything up, because it's got to do everything it did on the longer cycles in a shorter amount of time. So the agitation is a little faster, the spin's a little faster, and it just basically runs through things at a much quicker pace, so it has to do a little bit less energy efficiency. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.